Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes as I get ready to start my shift as a barista. I'll show you how I calibrate the coffee machine step by step, making sure the grind size, dose, and extraction time are spot on for the perfect espresso shot. It's really important to dial in the machine every morning to keep the coffee consistent and tasting great. After calibrating, I'll pull a few test shots to check the crema and flavor, making sure it's balanced and smooth. Once I'm happy with it, I'll make myself a latte to test the milk steaming, checking for that silky microfoam we all love. I'll talk a bit about the milk temperature, pitcher angles, and pouring technique for a nice, simple latte art pattern. This is all part of the daily routine before serving customers. It's how we make sure every cup meets the standard. If you're new to working in a cafe, or just curious about what baristas do before opening, this video will give you a clear look at the process. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about machine, calibration, or milk steaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy coffee content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this little slice of my morning behind the bar.